My vagina is a sacred space deserving of love and respect. I honor the wisdom of my feminine body. My vaginal health reflects my emotional well-being. I release stored trauma and pain from my sacred center. My vagina heals and restores herself naturally. I choose partners who honor my sacred space. My feminine body knows how to heal herself. I listen to the wisdom of my vagina. I listen to the pain of my vagina. My vaginal health is my priority. I release shame around my feminine body. My vagina is perfectly designed. I have the most beautiful vagina. I treat my feminine center with gentleness. I only share my sacred space with those who's worthy. My vagina deserves tender care and attention. My vaginal health improves each day. I trust my body's natural healing abilities. I trust my vagina's natural healing abilities. My feminine energy flows freely and powerfully. I am connected to my vaginal wisdom. I honor my body's boundaries. I honor my vagina's boundaries. I honor my sacred womb's energy. My feminine health radiates wholeness. I am safe in my body. My vagina is healed and safe. The sacred energy of my vagina is safe with me. My vagina is a source of power. I embrace my feminine nature. My vaginal health reflects self-love. I choose products that honor my body. I use products that are safe for my vagina. My vagina knows how to maintain balance. I use products that help me maintain my vagina's balance. I release fear around my feminine health. I release trauma from my feminine health. My body naturally returns to harmony. I trust my vagina's signals. My vagina is worthy of love. My feminine center is worthy of care. My womb is worthy of beautiful energy. I celebrate my vaginal health. I love taking care of my vaginal health. My vaginal health is important to me. I help my body heal herself. I am gentle with my healing process. My vagina deserves the best care I can give. I am patient with my healing journey. My feminine energy is wise and knowing. My vagina is wise and knowing. I honor my monthly cycles. My menstrual cycles help me release energy I no longer need. My vaginal health improves with self-love. I am worthy of vaginal health and wholeness. My feminine power grows stronger every day. I am in love with my sacred space. I am in love with my womb. I am in love with my vagina. I am whole. Listen to this vaginal love affirmation every day while in the bath or in the shower. for 30 days or until you feel unconditional, beautiful love for your body and your vagina. If it helps, write these affirmations down so that you can read them to yourself in the mirror. Thank you for listening. I pray that this helps you so that you can love all over your womb and vagina. I'm sending love, light, and beautiful energy your way. I love you. Be sure to check out our website at myvlove.com to see all of the beautiful, loving, organic products that help you love more on your vagina, to get you to a healthy, beautiful, balanced state in your womb. You'll love them. Thank you.